Take glass for please.
Lupe is a character. He's like a little person. He's very precious to us, and his health is just as important, and that's the reason why we took out the plan.
The Care for Pets healthcare plan is new to Pets for Pets and provides comprehensive, ongoing preventative healthcare for your dog or cat, all for $9.99 a month.
We're both delighted with the Care for Pets plan. Very, very plan.
It just gives me peace of mind.
Make your pet a picture of health with the Care for Pets healthcare plan. Visit your local practice or petsforpets.com.
The same room. Two prices. Why pay more? Do the Trivago check. On Trivago, you always find the perfect deal for 400,000 hotels on over 100 different websites. Just select your ideal hotel and Trivago.